Hi everyone, in front of me I've got INFINIX Hot 20 and let me share with you how to change system language on this device. So first of all, let's enter the settings, and here we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find the system. Now let's tap on languages and input. As you can see, it should be actually at the very top in this kind of highlighted section. So let's tap on the languages. As you can see right here, we've got the list of all previously applied languages. We've got only English. So let's tap on other languages. And here we've been transferred to the full list of all available ones. So basically all you have to do is to simply find the one you'd like to set and tap on it. So let me pick, for example, French, just tap on it. And here you can pick the region. So let me tap on France. And as you can see, your device will actually ask you if you really want to set the chosen language as a primary, as a default one. So let's simply tap on apply language. And as you can see, the French, in my case of course, immediately appears at the very top of this list, and from now on the whole system, the whole menu will be in the chosen language. If you've got two different languages added, just like right now I have the French and English, all you have to do in order to actually change the language between them is to reorder them. So we have to set the English at the very top. So just tap on it, hold it, and as you can see right now, you can move it. So let's drag it to the first position and release and wait a second. And as you can see, from now on, the whole system will be in English. If you want to remove the languages from this list, just tap on the three dots icon and tap on remove. Now we can mark the language we'd like to delete, and in my case it will be French, and tap on remove. Tap on remove again. And as you can see, we've got only English left. So basically that's all. This is how to change system language in your INFINIX Hot 20. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.